Hey, it's Ryan. In this review, we're going to take a look at the Jiffy biodegradable seed starting peat pellets. There's 36 of them in the package, and they're very nice peat pellets. What we like about the peat pellets is that they offer excellent germination results, and because they're biodegradable, they're an eco-friendly solution for starting your plants. We've used these in our microgreen setup, in our garden that we have at Barn to Villa, and time and time again, they just continue to impress. So just thought we would give a little shout out here to the Jiffy Peat Pellets. It's a great way to start plants as you get ready to get your garden going for the season you are in right now. The peat pellets do fit in the peat pellet trays perfectly, and they do offer and they do expand once you, add the water to them. So the roots have a lot of good material to grab onto, and the taproot can really get in there and start growing immediately. My name's Ryan with Backroad Reviews. Thanks for watching.